Good morning, students. So today we solve a radius of curvature which is given in parametric form. So here the problem is find the radius of curvature for the curve x is equal to a cos cube t comma y is equal to a sin cube t. Y is equal to a sin cube t. Okay, so this is the given problem. Now we solve this problem by using radius of curvature in parametric formula. So here the solution is so whatever given you write it. So given curve is x is equal to a cos cube t comma y is equal to a sin cube t. Okay, so now what is the radius of curvature in parametric form? So radius of curvature in parametric form. Radius of curvature in parametric form, it is given by the formula rho is equal to x dot whole square plus y dot whole square raised to 3 by 2 divided by x dash y double dash minus y dash x double dash minus y dash x double dash. Okay, so this is the formula for radius of curvature in parametric form. So now what we do, we find first this x dot and y dash. Okay, so differentiate this equation with respect to x. So as we know that x is equal to a cos cube t. Okay, x is equal to a cos cube t, and similarly y is equal to a sin cube t. So now we find x dash is nothing but dx by dt, which is equal to differentiation a is constant, differentiation of cos cube t is 3 cos square t into differentiation of cos t is minus sin t. So here is it minus 3a cos square t into differentiation of cos t, it is minus sin t. This is x dash. Similarly we find y dash. So differentiate this y with respect to t. So a is constant, differentiation of sin cube t is 3 sin square t into again differentiation of this sin t, it is cos t. So 3a sin square t cos t. So it is y dash. Okay, so next we find in this formula. Now see what we need in the formula. So we need this x dash and y dash. So this already we found, x dash and y dash. Next is we need this y double dash and also x double dash. Okay, so now differentiating this x dash. Okay, so now differentiating differentiating. So now call this equation as 1. Okay, the formula, the equation which contains the formula, call it as 1, and this is equation 2, right? Equation 2. Okay, so now differentiating equation 2 with respect to t. You have to differentiate both. So this differentiating, not this one. Okay, sorry, this is equation 2. So this is equation 2. So differentiating this equation 2 means x dash and y dash with respect to t. With respect to t. Okay, so now what we get? X double dash is equal to what? D square x by dt square. Now x dash already we know, so it is 3a cos square t sin t. So on differentiating again with respect to t, we obtain minus 3a is constant. Okay, now the first function as it is cos square t, differentiation of sin t is cos t. Apply product rule. Next, second function as it is. So cos square t, 3a constant. First is cos square t. Keep it as it is. Then differentiation of sin t is cos t. Then plus second function as it is, sin t. Differentiation of first function. So it is 2 cos t into differentiation of cos t is minus sin t. So here this becomes minus sin t. Okay, so here okay, so 3a into cos square t, differentiation of sin t is cos t, then plus second function as it is sin t. Now differentiation of cos square t, it is 2 cos t into again differentiation of cos t is minus sin t. So therefore here we will get minus and it is sin t. Okay, next is after this. Okay, after obtaining this, this is x double dash. Next, similarly we find y double dash. Y double dash. Y double dash is again differentiating this y dash with respect to t. So we get 3a, it is constant. Put the bracket. Then sin square t as it is. Differentiation of cos t is minus sin t, then plus second function cos t as it is, differentiation of sin square t, it is 2 sin t into differentiation of sin t is cos t. Okay, differentiation of sin t is cos t. So this we get y double dash is 3a minus sin square t plus cos 2t, cos t, 2 sin t, cos t. Now this can be simplified as y double dash is equal to, now this is sin square t into sin square t is minus 3a into bracket sin cube t, then plus 2 sin t cos t. Okay, it is sin 2t, cos 2 into cos t into sin 2t, and similarly simplifying x double dash. So here this is, so x double, it gives minus 3a in bracket cos t into cos square t, cos cube t, then minus again here this is sin t into this is 2 sin t cos t is again sin 2t. So this is x double dash and y double dash. Okay, now substituting all these in equation 1, substituting x dash comma y dash, x double dash and y double dash in equation 1, that is radius of curvature in parametric formula. So we get on substituting those in the radius of curvature parametric form, okay, so we obtain rho is equal to, okay, so rho is equal to, first is x dash is minus 3a cos square t sin t, this is whole square, x dash square, then y dash square, again 3a sin square t cos t whole square, okay, whole square raised to 3 by 2, okay, raised to 3 by 2 whole divided by x dash is again minus 3a cos square t into sin t x dash into bracket y double dash. So y double dash is, I put the bracket, minus 3a into sin cube t plus cos t into sin 2t, okay, so this is y double dash, then minus y dash, so y dash means 3a sin square t cos t into bracket x double dash, so x double dash is again minus 3a into cos cube t minus sin t into sin 2t into sin 2t. So this I will get the radius of curvature. Now simplifying this equation, so simplifying, so we get rho is equal to, now this, what happened here, 3a cos square t sin t whole square, so it is 9a square cos raised to 4t sin square t, this is x dash square, and similarly here 9a square sin raised to 4t into cos square t raised to 3 by 2 divided by, now we simplify this denominator term, now minus 3a into minus 3a plus 9a whole square, I take here 3a and also here this 3a becomes 9a square, and I multiply this here, 9a square into cos square t into sin raised to 4t, this into this, then minus becomes plus, then minus into here, this is plus, again minus 9a square, okay, minus 3a, I multiply this minus 3a with this sign, again it gives minus plus 3a, then this is plus, and then I take the this into this, and then this into this, so 9a square, then cos square t means it becomes cos cube t into sin t sin 2t, okay, sin t sin 2t, next this into this, so then minus okay, over, everything is over, now this into, then this plus this into this, now okay, now take the second term, then minus 9a square, then sin square t cos raised to 4t, sin square t cos raised to 4t, then here minus becomes plus, into minus, minus 9a square sin square t, that becomes sin cube t into cos t sin 2t, okay, so first I multiply this into this. Okay, so minus 3a into minus 3a plus 9a square plus 9a square, then sin square t into cos cube t, cos t, it becomes sin square cos square 4t. Then this minus into minus here, this becomes plus, then plus into minus, minus 9a square, then sin square t into sin t sin cube t, then cos t into sin 2t. Then after this, simplify this again, so I'll get rho is equal to, here I can take here 9a square is common from both the term, 9a square, and also sin square t cos square t is common, so I will take 9a square and then sin square t and then cos square t take common, then in bracket I left with the term cos square t here plus sin square t here. Okay, then whole raised to 3 by 2, so divided by, again here some terms will be cancelled, I think, so 9a square cos square t sin raised to 4t. Okay, and here from these two terms, so here I'll take, this is plus, because minus into minus becomes plus. I take here from the first and the third term 9a square sin square t cos square t as common, and I left with the term sin square t plus cos square t. Okay, and similarly here in these two cases 9a square sin cube t, then 9a square cos cube t sin 2t, then 9a square sin cube t cos t sin 2t. So again this can be written as 2 sin t cos t, so 1 will raise to 2 sin t, 1 sin cube t, then this becomes, so just I will simplify this. Okay, so then plus, this is 9a square, okay, this is 9a square, then this I will write cos cube t into, this is sin t, then this is sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t. Okay, then similarly minus, this is 9a square, again I write the same thing, sin cube t, then this is cos t, again this sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t. Okay, then afterwards this rho is equal to, now this cos square t plus sin square t is 1, so this gives 9a square sin square t cos square t whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by, again here sin square t plus cos square t is 1, so this again 9a square sin square t cos square t, then plus. Now in this case this cos t and cos cube t, they are multiplied together, and sin t also multiplied together, so 9 into 2 18a square, then cos cube into cos t, cos raised to 4t, then sin t into sin t sin square t. Okay, then minus, again minus here, this minus 9 is 9 into 2 18a square, then sin cube into sin t sin raised to 4t. Okay, sin cube into sin t sin raised to 4t, cos t into cos t, it is cos square t. Okay, so like that I obtained this equation. Then simplifying this, we get some terms will be cancelled. Okay, and I get the result, this one as so after simplifying this, I will get this rho is equal to 3a by 2 sin 2t. Okay, I will get, after simplifying, rho is equal to 3a by 2 sin 2t, or 3a by 2 sin 2t means 2 sin t cos t. Okay, So you obtain this equation. So simplify this equation and you will get this result. So this is the radius of curvature in parametric form for the given curve. So with this I conclude this class and continue in the next class. Thank you.